Okay, here is an Ampex MM-1000 8-channel. Looks like it may have been converted from a 2-inch 16-track to a 1-inch 8-track. There's an extra control panel, dress panel that came with it that's got space for 16 record function switches. So, but at any rate, it's pretty straight, pretty clean. It's a beast. It's got all 8 electronics modules with it. Heads look really good. It's got both flutter filters. Basically it's got everything, but I can't power it up because there's a huge, well, relatively big twist lock power connector. Couldn't find the power cord. That should be pretty easy to get. There's the input-output panel, some other things in the back. So it'll take a little bit to figure this out because it's not a real common machine. The MM-1000 was based on the VO-1000 2-inch video transport. So it's really hardy. Just looking at the size of some of the components under here. Real motors. There's one back there. That's just the brake assembly. Really heavy duty mounting plate for the transport. And then look at the size of that capstan shaft. It's like 3/4 diameter. Looks like the machine is set up for 7.5 and 15 IPS. And just gonna, tape has to go everywhere on this thing. And by the way, it looks like it can accommodate the big 14-inch reels. But to thread tape on this, you gotta go around this thing, around this. Okay, so around the tension arm, over the rolling guide, around this rolling guide, around the, whatever that's called. Oh, that's the real idler. And then, of course, through there, up over the capstan shaft, around the counter, around that stationary guide, and over that tension arm. And that's how it goes. So anyway, it'd be fun to get it powered up. The gal I bought it from is the daughter of Bob Lawson. That name might sound familiar to some of you. He worked at Ampex for many years. Started as a janitor and worked his way up into research and development. Spent many years there. So anyway, she's living in Oregon and just needed to clear this stuff out. She has a band and they did some recording on this, and so supposedly it's fully functional once I get it powered up. There's this other box here. I'm not sure what it does, so I'll need to figure that out. I mean, it looks like it's a sync lock box of some sort, but I haven't got that figured out either. And it comes with a full function remote and a ton of spare parts. So we'll get it cleaned up and get it working right, And this is going to be my main 8-track.